At the beginning, it's almost imperceptible. He doesn't disappear. He doesn't end things. He just pulls away. He replies less. He takes longer. The energy changes, and you feel it immediately. Something shifted. And when a woman feels that distance, the instinct is almost automatic. Close the gap. Send more messages. Ask what happened. Try to fix the atmosphere. Look for reassurance. Because silence feels threatening. But here's something almost no one talks about. Distance doesn't always mean disinterest. Sometimes it means exhaustion. Sometimes it means pressure. Sometimes it means the dynamic between two people has become unbalanced. There are moments when a man pulls away because he feels tired of being constantly questioned, tired of being corrected, evaluated, measured, not because he stopped loving, but because he started feeling judged, and connection rarely survives constant evaluation. In other situations, the reason is quieter, routine. When the relationship slowly moves into autopilot, when no one brings new energy anymore, when everything becomes predictable. Routine itself doesn't destroy relationships. Neglect inside the routine does. Because when novelty, lightness, and creativity disappear completely, almost anything different starts to look interesting. Not because it is better, but because it is different. And here's the most common mistake. When he pulls away, the woman increases intensity, more conversations, more emotions, more pressure. But pressure does not restore connection. Pressure accelerates distance. If the issue is criticism, more criticism makes it worse. If the issue is imbalance, chasing confirms it. If the issue is stagnation, anxiety will not bring renewal. So what do? First, stabilize. Instead of reacting, pause. Instead of demanding answers, observe. Ask yourself honest questions. Have I been offering what I expect to receive? Have we allowed routine to kill creativity? Have I been speaking more through criticism than admiration? This is not about blaming yourself. It's about awareness, and awareness changes positioning. When you stop reacting from fear, you stop losing emotional power. You don't ignore. You don't play games. You don't become cold. You regulate. You return to your center. You reconnect with your routine, your energy, your focus. You bring lightness back. And something interesting happens. When pressure disappears, space becomes neutral. And it is in neutrality that truth reveals itself. If he was pulling away because of tension, your calm becomes relief. If he was pulling away because of routine, your renewed energy becomes intriguing again. If he was uncertain, your stability creates clarity. And if he had already decided to leave, your dignity remains intact. You cannot control whether he comes back, but you can control whether you collapse. Emotional stability is magnetic, not because it is distant, but because it is secure. Distance doesn't always mean disinterest. Sometimes it simply reflects what stopped being nourished in the relationship. And when you stop chasing, you allow space to reveal intention. If this resonated with you, subscribe for more reflections on feminine positioning and emotional dynamics.